In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add just initials in Docusign in just under 5 minutes. Now, Docusign is a fantastic tool for managing electronic signatures and ensuring your documents are signed, sealed, and delivered without the hassle of printing and scanning. Adding initials might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for those quick validations and informal agreements. So let's get started and walk through this process together. The first step is to head over to the Docusign website. Once there, make your way to the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're new, you might need to sign up, but don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once logged in, navigate to the Docusign homepage. This will function as your main dashboard where you can see and manage all your documents. From here, you want to select a template. Templates are incredibly useful because they save you from reinventing the wheel each time you need a document signed. If you have a standard form that regularly needs initials, it's worthwhile to take a moment to create or access one. With your template selected, proceed by adding the necessary details. These details could include the recipient's information and any specifics about the document they need to be aware of before signing. After entering the details, it's time to click the next button to move forward with the preparation process. Arriving at the next screen, search for the standard fields option and give it a click. Docusign provides a variety of fields you can add to your document, such as signature and date fields, but today we're focusing specifically on initials. So after opening the standard fields, go ahead and locate the initials field, click on it to select. With the initials field now selected, navigate to the part of the document where you want the recipient to place their initials. Simply click on that spot and the field will be added there. Placing this correctly is important. Consider the flow of your document and how the individual will move through it. This step concludes the process and you're now ready to send out your document for initialing. Remember that keeping your document simple and straightforward is key to getting quick and efficient responses from signees. Initials can serve as a quick acknowledgement, so use them wisely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your document signing process with Docusign a little smoother. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or share it with someone who might find it useful. Have a great day.